My thoughts on Charlie Sheen. Charlie Sheen is a king. He is a god. He is winning better than anyone else ever could. But my only issue is his father, Martin Sheen, said that he has a disease like cancer. I disagree with that. The disease that I feel Charlie Sheen has is called syphilis. He should have gotten it dealt with years and years ago, and he wouldn't be the way he is now. The crack addiction wouldn't have fucked him up nearly as bad as it has. But whatever. That's Charlie's life, and he is now winning, but he's a... Come on, Archie, what is it? What is he, Archie? He's a...
Rockstar Vatican assassin.
Oh, shit. I dropped it. And Charlie Sheen is the king. I don't give a fuck what anybody says. No one will beat him. And him trying to be the king of any fucking channel they put him on, quit bothering with that. Give him his own fucking channel. Oh, we dropped it again. Hold it. Quit with the bullshit of trying to get him on every channel out there. He is a king. He's a fucking god. He is a rock star Vatican... What is it? Assassin. He deserves his own fucking network. The Charlie Sheen Network. Anybody that disagrees, kiss my ass and lick my neutered nuts. Because you know what? There is only one person better than me, and that is Charlie Sheen. And he is winning more than me.